last video, the assistant and PJ Masks. Let's check it out.
Okay, Romeo and Wussy kids, I'm coming for ya. Where are you guys?
You've done it again, Hook. You've worked so hard to get all of this treasure today. And the best part of it is, no one will ever find me. Gotcha! Uh-oh, we caught ya, Hook. Time to return this treasure to its rightful place. Arr, the PJ Mask. Why did your lass and laddies have to go and ruin a party of one? This is no time for jokes, Hook. You're coming with us. All right, fine. But can I keep one piece of gold? No! Last piece. Whew, we got it all put away, guys. Do you think it'll be safe there until the morning? Oh, it'll be fine, Owlette. Plus, we don't have a choice. The bank vault doesn't open until the morning. You're right. Okay, guys, let's go so we can get up bright and early. You got that right, Catboy. Everything is gonna be just fine. Wow, look at all that treasure. Yeah, let's hurry and load it up so we can get out of here. What are we gonna put all that treasure in? Oh, I brought something. Perfect. Let's get out of here, guys. The very next day. Come on, guys, let's get this treasure back to the bank. Oh no, the treasure's gone.
Hey guys! Wait, what's going on?
Oh, hey, assistant. Someone took all of the treasure that we took back from Captain Hook.
Oh no! Who do you think did this?
We have no idea, assistant. We just got here.
Okay, well, let's start looking around and looking for clues. Hey guys! Look over here! I found something! Wait, what is it?
Romeo!
Guys, wait! There's something else over here! Whoa.
Wait, is this fur? The Woofy Kids! Oh no, we have to hurry and find them before the treasure ends up in the wrong hand. But we have to hurry. How can we find them quickly?
I got it! It's the whole reason why I came over here. I wanted to show you something.
What?
Get ready. Ta-da!
What is it, assistant?
My plane. Oh, wait. I forgot. You need beads.
Whoa! My turn! Whoa! Me next! Whoa! That's amazing! I just love that! That's so cool!
It's my plane. Isn't she a beauty? All right, who's ready to fly? Oh, come on, guys. This thing's solid, see?
Assistant, we think we'll just meet you there. Just call us when you find them.
Okay, suit yourself. Bye. Woo-hoo. Okay, Romeo and Wussy kids, I'm coming for ya. Okay, going up. Where are you guys? Oh wait, I think I see him over there.
We did it! Now let's divide this treasure! Okay, one for you guys. 2 for me. Now 2 for you guys. And 3 for me. I don't think so, Romeo. We are splitting up the treasure fair and square. Okay. Listen, the most important thing is they'll never find us here. Okay, let's divide this treasure so we can get out of here.
Gotcha.
Assistant, what are you doing here? And where did you come from?
Enough questions, Romeo. You're caught.
Oh, really? You're gonna get all of us all by yourself, assistant? How did you guys... Enough with the questions, Romeo. You're coming with us. Oh, man.
We caught Romeo and the Wolfie Kids fair and square. People at home, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.
Hey, where did that spooky assistant go? There she is. What are we going to do today?
We're gonna look for Paw Patrol.
Paw Patrol, Rubble, and Rocky,
And Chase,
and
Skye, and Everest, and Marshall,
I don't
and
know.
Chase,
I don't know if they're
and
all
Skye.
But let's go. All right, so let's go back this way. Let's see.
I want to go
Wait.
down the slide first.
Wait a minute, look who's out there at the top.
I'll get him.
Who is it, assistant?
Chase!
Chase is on the slide.
I'm gonna go down the slide.
Go on the slide, Chase. I think you did okay. Your turn. Hand me Chase. Let's look at him.
Okay,
Chase is on the slide, right?
right. He has a pack with a megaphone
He's got his megaphone.
and a tennis ball launcher.
Super fun, right?
Right.
So we found Chase. So he wasn't hiding in a very good spot, was he? He was easy to find.
Yeah.
All right, let's put Chase here by the side, and we're gonna keep on looking, okay?
Okay.
Let's go. You can go this way.
Okay.
Beware of the dog.
How do you know what to beware of the dog?
I'm smart. I slept at a Holiday Inn last night. Oh, look, there's our spider. Why don't you pet him and give him a big hug?
This is Fluffy's friend.
Hi, Fluffy. You didn't give him a hug, assistant. Give your spider a hug.
Okay.
Oh, such a good little spider. Such a good little spider. Ah! What's that?
Oh, it's a skeleton spider. This is Bob Jr., that's Bob Jr. Jr.
That's Bob Jr. Jr. That'd be Bob the Third. Do you call him Trey? A junior, you call him the third, which means short. You call him Trey.
Hi, Trey.
Hi, Trey. Trey Spider. Okay, so let's keep looking. What do you see? Is that Benson? Benson!
Look,
Oh,
I like spooky places like this.
he does, doesn't he? I wonder if
I
Wiggles and Waggles will ever come back
places
here.
like this.
Hey, wait a minute! I see something over there. Who's that?
Pikachu!
Pikachu! You found Pikachu! Right there!
I got Pikachu.
That's not just Pikachu, that's
It's
Detective
Detective
Pikachu. That's right, he earned his detective badge and hat. Hi, Detective Pikachu.
Where's his badge?
Oh, right there, right on his face. Pikachu!
He's just wearing
I like to say Pikachu!
Pikachu. Oh, sorry. I meant
Peekaboo!
I meant pecan pie.
That'd be kind of funny instead of calling it Pikachu.
Pikachu!
Peekaboo! Assistant, behind you! That's Gabby Gabby!
Oh no, we never saw her.
What's she doing back here? We found Benson and Gabby Gabby. Let's feed her to the bat.
No!
Gabby Gabby, you want to see the bat? Play with the bat? It's right there.
Gabby Gabby's a good guy now.
That's right, she became a good guy. Alright, let's keep looking, assistant. Deeper in. Deeper in. Deeper in. Oh, look at little Frankenstein. Hi, little Frank.
Yummy.
Don't let me bite your finger. Does it feel good? Ow, it hurts. It says it. Ow, 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 ow. What are you letting me bite my finger for?
Ah, he closed his mouth on my finger.
Well, we gotta go back this way. What'd you find? We've seen that before, right? It's all of our frights in a can.
Yes.
Alright, you keep going.
Onward.
Whoa, you knocked over Frank! You gotta pick him up!
Okay.
That's the can again. Alright, ready?
Frank is sleeping.
Frank is taking a nap. Ooh, there's a skeleton. Ooh, what's that?
That's the Sprite in the can. This is a grail.
It's a giant. It's like a goblet, right?
Goblet.
A goblet. Alright, let's keep looking. Oh, look! Wait a minute, you were sitting next to somebody!
Oh, Rubble!
It's Rubble on the trouble! Rubble's in trouble because he's not on the double.
Let's put him in this.
Rubble on the double! Oh, get me out of here! Assistant, get me out, please. I don't want to be in here. Don't. That's scaring me! That's scaring me!
It's by a ghost.
Oh, so that's the one that's the flossing ghost. I like the flossing ghost. He's pretty fun.
too.
Alright, well, but we gotta keep looking. Ooh, here's a spooky pirate ship.
Keep on moving.
Alright, what's back here? Ooh, I see another spider hanging from that tree.
Wait, I hear something.
What?
Hi. Hi.
What do you hear? Do you hear this?
I hear a bug.
You hear a bug?
Yes.
You hear a bug?
Let's pretend that there's someone who's trying to take all the toys, so we have to be super quiet
Okay, so we're gonna be really quiet.
and occasionally hide.
Oh, no, that was just a can. Oh. Let's keep going.
Okay, there you go.
I'm gonna provide Rubble. Alright, Rubble, you keep this. Rubble on the double, I'll keep it. What? You gotta be quiet, Rubble. Rubble on the double, I can't be quiet. He needs to be quiet, doesn't he?
Come on, we have to make our escape up there.
Wait, let's go into here, okay?
Hide,
Let's go in the
hurry.
hurry, let's go in the graveyard. Hide. Hide, hide. You gotta hide back here? I don't know about hiding here. That's pretty scary. Oh, look at that tree. That tree's trying to grab somebody. Watch. Whoa. That was a good idea to hide. Let's see if we can find anything back here.
Oh, it's me.
Oh, look, it's you, her giant pet crocodile.
Let's leave her there.
You wanna leave it? So who is that again? Well, it's Vamparina, right?
It's me. It's not him.
You're Vamparina. That's Vamparina. 1, 2 Vamparinas.
Hurry, we gotta make our way up there. Hurry, come on.
So we gotta go
They're
for the
gonna
slide.
see us. Come on.
Okay, we're gonna go up. I'm going up.
Hurry, hurry.
I'm gonna hurry.
And we have to go down the slide super duper fast.
Okay, go. Go down that slide.
Shh, we still gotta be quiet.
You gotta be quiet.
Bye.
Bye. Don't want the bears to get you.
There's bears.
Probably.
Oh.
Whoa! I'm gonna go down. Oh, it looks like there's a giant spider on the outside of it. Or maybe there's.
You can't even see the outside of it.
I can see the shadows. Ooh, those shadows sure are. Here I go. Down. Ooh, the slide.
Hello.
Oh, hi. I found the assistant. She's right here.
I found Skye.
You found Skye? She was back here?
And watch this.
Whoa, she's ready to take to the sky. Whoa, she's flying.
Okay, now here. Can we take Skye? Let's get out of here. Come on, this is the only way out.
You're gonna go up the slide? Well, I'm just gonna go this way.
What way? This is the only.
You're going up the slide. I'm on this one. Nope, found another way.
I'm almost made it.
Good. Where did the assistant go? Assistant, you need to come out of there. Wait a minute, you going up the slide?
I made it.
Are you going up the slide?
Yes.
You think she made it, people?
I did.
Oh, I see her head. So does Skye. She flew up here.
Now, how do I get out?
Here, grab Skye.
I can't reach that far.
Nice Skye. Sissy, you gotta get out of there. You can't stay in there.
I'm trying.
Sissy, you gotta get out of there.
I gotta accomplish this.
If you let go, you'll just slide down the bottom.
I gotta go.
Or you think you're gonna make it?
Yes, I have to. No!
Oh, down she goes! So close. But yet she didn't make it. All right, assistant, you can go out the other way.
Oh. Okay. Let's go to the swing set.
Wait a minute, assistant, there's something over here too.
Oh!
It's Rocky! Right? Hi, Rocky.
Right.
Wait a minute. What's that? That's a spooky looking head right there, isn't it?
Yeah.
What happened if I got some water right here. What happens if we put some water in it? What do you think will happen? Whoa. Look, assistant, it's smoking.
That's probably a bad sign.
Get Rocky, that's right. And wait a minute, I got Skye for you. So there's that head that's smoking, right? There's Skye. Look at all that smoke coming out of him. And then look right here.
What is that?
It's like a spider, but with a skull on it. It's skull spider. But Assistant Rocky was the last person for us to find.
But I want to go to the swing.
Okay. The assistant wants to go to the swing. Is that okay, mister? I think he's a good guy. Are you a good guy? Oh, he's a good guy.
Okay,
And
let's
so is that. That's just a lot of fun. Alright, so let's watch the assistant go on the swings now.
Okay, I'm going to take a long
How are you going to get here, assistant?
Wait, out.
You're going to go head first. What? You're going down the side head first? Oh, you okay?
Yeah. I only hurt myself once. Just
Well, don't hurt yourself. Alright, so now you're going to swing.
Nah. Just kidding. I am.
So we found Rocky, Skye, Chase, Rubble, Benson,
Gabby Gabby.
Vamparina, and Poppy. Right, assistant?
We haven't found Poppy. Where'd you get Poppy from?
Where did I get Poppy from? Oh, she's right here!
Oh!
We did find Poppy! There's Poppy. Ready? You think you can catch a Poppy? We're gonna play catch a Poppy. Catch a Poppy! Yay! She caught it! Well, I've got a camera, so it's gonna make it harder for me. I caught a Poppy!
Let me get higher.
All right, ready? Catch a Poppy!
I wasn't ready.
Poppy bounced off your knee. Okay, everyone, thanks for watching our video.
Right? Bye! Oh!
All right, check us out on Roku,
Amazon Fire TV,
Happy Kids,
Apple TV, and Happy Kids TV.
and remember to subscribe to TEF Kids and the Engineering Family, right?
Right.